Tesla and why it worked out for us. So this was a swing trade, and so the first thing that what we were looking for Tesla was on the hourly time frame. Okay, so the 3 time frames I use for swing trading when it comes to intraday time frames is I use the 15, the 30, and the hourly. Okay, and all of the time frames I want to be seeing the same thing or something similar. I don't want to see a characteristic change, right? So if we see start from here, the bigger time frame here, so this was on the 14th of March. This is an important time. So this is where Tesla started to consolidate and break out. So the trade that we took here actually started on the 16th, and I started scalping Tesla, but the weekly trade that we took this week actually started on the Monday, right? So it's only been a few days, so since the 21st, right? So the trade on the 21st has netted us over 1900% return, so which was right here. So the trade that happened right here. Okay, so this trade right here was the one that really took us to the next level. Okay, so now what happened here? So basically what happened was that Tesla, as you can see over the coming days, it was increasing volume, right? And there was more buyers and sellers. But also at the same time, I use another tool. It's called options flow. It's by Cheddar Flow, and I was looking at Tesla's flow since the Monday of this week, which was the 21st, right? And I started to notice, and the way I use this is I use premiums over 200,000, and I use above the ask. So this is where what I want to see is what's being filled and how fast, right? So what I was paying attention to was these sweep orders that were coming in, particularly. So if you guys can see here, look, there was a 9.2 million sweep right here on the 22nd. And this was 1200, so this was way out of the money, and this is expiring in 2024. So this is someone who's not hedging. They're taking a big position that Tesla could obviously give them more returns, right? And the next big order was you can see there's a lot over 100,000, but that was one trade that was showed up. The next one was this one, 900, expiring in the same week. You can see 1.5 million, and at that time the strike price was 939. So this was in the money, right? Expiring in such a short amount of time. So these trades were showing up, right? And then also this is what I was seeing as well, the 1250 strikes showing up, the 1000 showing up, right? This is a really big deal, right? So this is why I took right now we have the 1300 showing up. So this is why I took Tesla on the 21st 1000 strike position in our community, right? So if we look at on the smaller time frame here on the 21st, what was happening was 21st, we can see the previous day we had a nice uptrend. On the 21st, price broke out, consolidated, had a nice hold of the 5-day EMA and the VWAP. It kept going. The 30-minute just kept confirming that price action right here that we're seeing here, right? So this price action was telling us that Tesla had a good amount of buyers versus sellers. So we can see that buyers versus sellers, who was in control over the past few days, just more buyers coming in. I was looking for a retest, but at that time Tesla 1000 strike call options were only about $3 to $4, and they went to 40 bucks. Okay, so these went absolutely nuts. Now the reason why we took this trade was we had an upward momentum in the stock. We had previous resistance levels, right? So these were alerts, like all these lines that you guys are seeing. This is a resistance line. So this resistance line was broken, alert went off. Then this one was broken, alert went off. Then 1004 was broken, and then went all the way to 1045, which is my target for today, or 1040, sorry, today. And so if this breaks here at 1045, then it's going to go 1075. So as these alerts were being broken, what I was paying attention to was a spike in volume. If these alerts were being broken and a big price action move was happening based on low volume, I wouldn't have confidence in that trade. But this was happening, as you can see, spikes in volume, like continuous spikes, right? These are the trades that you want to get in, and these trades do come once in a while. They're very rare, but price action confirmed it, the flow of options confirmed it, which is why making that trade made sense. Hope you guys found this video helpful.